Everybody wants to know what's the newest, most effective fat buster on the market that lets you burn fat without extra diet or exercise. Thanks to brand new scientific research, the secret that millions of people across America are using to shed pounds quickly and effectively is a revolutionary new fat buster called Garcinia cambogia. A pumpkin-shaped fruit plant from Southeast Asia, Garcinia cambogia may be the most revolutionary fat-burning ingredient discovered to date. New research has found that this strange fruit may be the miracle pill that lets you lose weight without changing your diet or exercise. Garcinia cambogia inhibits the production of new fat in the body, and when the body is not making fat, it's burning fat. Scientific research shows that people using Garcinia cambogia lose 2 to 3 times more fat than with diet and exercise alone. Not only does it help with weight loss, Garcinia cambogia also helps emotional eaters by increasing serotonin levels in sleep.